Raise or lower Corvette Convertible's first ever retractable hardtop in about 16 seconds and while driving up to 30 miles per hour. Ensure the roof and tonneau cover are clear of any objects and the trunk is closed. Before lowering the top, start the vehicle and then press and hold the convertible top button on the driver's door. Windows will lower automatically and a chime will sound when the top is completely lowered. Press the mid-glass button on the driver's door to lower the rear window with the top up or down. Pull the same button to raise the rear window. Remotely lower the top by pressing and releasing the unlock button, and then pressing and holding the convertible top button on your key fob. Raise the tonneau cover by pressing the lock, and then the convertible top button on the key fob, ideal for oil and coolant checks or fillings. Raise the top by pulling and holding up the convertible top button on the driver's door. A chime will sound when the top is completely raised, offering added security and quietness while retaining Corvette's signature shape and beauty. Before removing Corvette's roof panel, shift into park. Lower both sun visors and windows. Turn the vehicle off, and then set the parking brake. Open the rear hatch and remove any items that may interfere with proper storage of the roof panel. 3 release handles detach the roof panel, 2 above the sun visors and 1 at the rear of the panel. Pull each front release handle outward to unlock. Then press the button on the front of the rear lever. With 1 or 2 people, carefully lift the front edge of the roof panel up and forward. Once loose, grasp the center of the roof panel and lift it away from the vehicle. Conveniently store the roof panel in the rear of your Corvette with the interior facing forward and rear edge entering first. Position the rear pins into the lower receivers. Push each front corner of the panel forward until it clicks into the upper receivers. Before reinstalling the roof, make sure both windows are down and the vehicle is in park with the parking brake engaged. Remove the roof from the cargo area by pulling toward the rear of the vehicle until it separates from the upper receivers. Carefully lift the roof panel out of the trunk and then lightly place the roof panel over the top of the vehicle. Align and fit the rear edges of the roof into the openings in the overhead weather strip. Gently lower the front edge of the roof panel to the front of the roof opening. Make sure the weather stripping on each side of the roof panel is under the panel and each front release handle is in the fully open position. Pull down and turn each front release handle inward and push back and up on the rear release handle to lock the panel back in place. For more information, refer to the owner's manual.